This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. Features include alloy wheels, dual power seats, cruise control, running boards, a security system, fog lamps, air conditioning with automatic climate control, heated side view mirrors, and this automobile has fewer than 64,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
BMW of Stratham is located at 71 Portsmouth Avenue in Stratham. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.